How are you, friends and families? This is part 52 of aptitude test questions with their solutions on simplification. And on this part, I'll just provide you aptitude test questions with their solutions. As you know, I'm just presenting you aptitude test questions that will appear in any type of examinations on a weekly basis. So if you are a student, as well as if you are a graduate who is searching for a job, again, if you want to update your career, just you have to know how to solve aptitude test questions, because these questions will appear in any type of examination, either job or vacancy examination or educational examinations. So subscribe this channel and try to understand the questions with their solutions, then you'll be a better competitor. So subscribe it, and again share it to students and others who are searching for a job. Now let's go to the questions. Question number 166. Okay, it says, in a caravan, in addition to 50 hens, there are 45 goats and 8 camels with some keepers. If the total number of feet be 224, more than the number of heads, find the number of keepers. A5, B10, C15, D20. Okay, first try to understand the question very carefully, then convert the word problem into mathematical equations, and after that solve for what is required here. That means solve for the number of keepers. Okay, in a caravan means a group of animals and people just moving together or going together. So in a certain group of animals and people just moving together, there are 50 hens, 45 goats, 8 camels, and a certain number of keepers. Then you know here about the number of hens, the number of goats, the number of camels, but the number of people or the number of keepers is not known. But here, in addition to the number of hens, goats, and camels, there is an additional information. The total number of feet is 224, more than the number of heads. That means the number of feet is higher than the number of heads by 224. Or it means again, when you add the number of heads to when you add 224 to the number of heads, you get the total number of feet. And total number of feet is equal to 224 plus total number of heads. So using these informations, you have to find out the number of keepers. For that matter, let's say the number of keepers, it is unknown, and let's represent it by the letter X. Okay, let the number of keepers be X. Now you can find out the number of heads. So the total number of heads is the head of the hen plus the head of goats plus the head of camel plus the head of the keepers. And it means again 50 plus 45 plus 8 plus X. And adding all these together, you get 103 plus X. So 103 means the number of heads of hen plus the number of heads of goat plus the number of heads of camel plus what remains is the number of heads of the keepers, and it is not known, and let's represent the head of the keepers by x. So the total number of heads is 103 plus x. Then what about the number of feet? Again, here you know, or you can get the number of feet of the hens, the goats, the camels, and what is not known is the number of feet of the keepers. So the number of feet of the goats is 45 times by 4. Since each individual goat has 4 feet, the 45 goats have 45 times by 4 feet, plus the number of feet of camels is, there are 8 camels times by 4, again, plus the number of feet of the hens is 50, there are 50 hens times by 2, then plus the number of feet of the keepers is, there are 8x keepers times by, each keeper has 2 feet, I mean, so you get x times by 2. So the total number of feet is 45 times by 4 plus 8 times by 4 plus 50 times by 2 plus x times by 2. Of course, you can collect like terms. From this, you can get 4 as a common, and you can have 45 plus 8. And again, from animals which have 2 feet, you can get 2 as a common, and 50 times by 50 plus x times by 2. So you can rewrite it as such: 45 plus 8 times by 4 plus 50 plus x the whole times by 2. Now the total number of feet is 45 plus 8 times by the whole 4 plus 50 plus x the whole times by 2, which is equal to 312 plus 2x. Now get the total number of feet: 312 plus 2x. But there is an information which says that the total number of feet be 224 more than the number of heads. So you have here the number of feet, which is 312 plus 2x, but this is equal to the number of heads, that means 103 plus x plus 224. So you can have 312 plus 2x, which is equal to 103 plus x the whole plus 224. And this part tells us that the number of feet be 224 more than the number of heads. Again, you can rearrange this one as such: 312 plus 2x minus 103 plus x, which is equal to 224, can further be rearranged as such: 312 plus 2x minus 103 plus minus x, which is equal to 224. Then you have 209. That means 312 minus 103 is 209, and 2x minus x is x. So you have 209 plus x, which is equal to 224. And solving for x, you get x, which is equal to 50. So the number of keepers is 50. And your answer for this question is choice C. እሺ ለዛሬ ያቀረብኩላችሁ ይሄን ይመስላል። በየሳምንቱ እንደዚህ አይነት ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄዎችን እያቀረብኩ እየሰራሁላችሁ እገኛለሁ። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች በብዛት ለተማሪዎች፣ ለስራ ፈላጊዎች እና ስራ ለማሻሻል ለሚፈልጉ ማንኛውም ሰዎች ጠቃሚዎች ናቸው። በብዛት በስራ ፈተናና በትምህርት ፈተና ላይ የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች ይመጣሉ። እንዴት መስራት እንደምትችሉ መለማመድ ከቻላችሁ በየትኛውም ፈተና ላይ የተሻለ ውጤት በማምጣት ተፎካካሪ መሆን ያስችላችኋል። በመሆኑም ቢክ አካዳሚ የሚለውን ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ መማር ትችላላችሁ። ሌሎችም ተማሪዎች፣ ስራ ፈላጊዎች ይህን ቻናል እንዳገኙት ለነሱም ቻናሉን ሼር አድርጉላቸው። ታንኪዩ